So, what is video marketing and why should you care? Well, if your business or blog isn't using video marketing, then you're missing out on one of the most engaging, influential, and potentially profitable forms of marketing of them all. Video marketing has the ability to grab the attention and to help you establish authority in ways that no other form of marketing can approach. So it's absolutely vital that you start leveraging this type of marketing in your strategy as soon as possible. In fact, video marketing is so powerful that it could very well be all that you need to get the word out about your business. If you're already using video marketing, then it's just as important to ensure that you're doing so in the most highly effective way possible. Video marketing, when done well, is incredibly powerful. But if your videos don't have the professional sheen that your viewers expect, they could actually harm your business. So it's essential that you're not just incorporating video into your marketing, but that you're doing so in the best way possible. By getting this video, you've taken the first step towards doing just that. And throughout the course, we'll be looking in depth at how to create and share fantastic high-quality videos that will accelerate sales and catapult your business into the stratosphere. But what is video marketing and what makes it so successful? Well, video marketing is marketing via the medium of video on the web. In many cases, this means creating videos and uploading them to YouTube, though that's only one option. Once you've created a great quality video for your marketing campaign that helps to promote your message and sell your product or service, the next step is to make sure it is seen by as many people as possible. Uploading to YouTube is one way to do this, and YouTube has many advantages for marketers that make it a great asset. At the same time, though, you might want to consider using other platforms such as Vine and Vimeo, and you might want to consider embedding your video into your own site. There are several things that make video marketing particularly effective, and more so than many other alternative options. The most obvious advantage of video marketing is that it's so highly engaging. The human brain has evolved in order to pay attention to moving images and sounds, and this is why we're naturally inclined to stop and watch a television when it's on in the background. Have you ever been talking to someone when there's a television on in the room, only to notice that they're actually looking straight past you and at the screen? Now, the sound could be off, and it could even be playing a commercial, but still some people will be almost unable to turn away. And this isn't anything personal, well, not usually. It's just the perfect example of how moving images hold our attention. Another great example is a classroom. Now, do you remember when the teacher would say they were going to put on a video for a particular lesson? Even the noisiest of classes would fall silent and become very well behaved at this point, even when the topic of the video wasn't anything particularly interesting. You see, video has an almost hypnotic quality, and this is an excellent trait for any internet marketer. Another advantage of video is that it's passive. Now, what this means is that your visitors don't need to actively read anything or really put in any effort at all. As soon as someone lands on your page or finds your video on YouTube, it'll start playing right away and they'll be absorbing that information. And as we've already established, video is very hard to look away from, so once you've caught their attention, chances are that they'll keep watching until the end of the video. In fact, because video is multi-sensory, your visitors don't even need to be looking at the page in order for it to be effective. But more importantly, video is a fantastic opportunity for you to establish authority and create a relationship. You see, the key thing to realize about videos is not every business or blogger has them, and that means they can be used to set you apart from the crowd. Now, compared with written content or banner ads, creating videos requires a much bigger investment in time, a larger budget, and more skills. Now, all this means that by simply having a video on your website, it's going to make your business look considerably more professional. This is also why it's so incredibly important that you maintain high production values in your video marketing. If your video consists of you sitting in your living room, stuttering and coughing while you deliver your message, then you'll turn people away from doing business with you. On the other hand though, if you have a video that has crisp HD imagery, amazing editing and a professional narration, then this will communicate to the viewer that your business is professional and worth taking seriously. Now, don't worry, this video series will teach you how to create these types of video even without spending a fortune or years to become a professional video editor. And finally, video lets you put your message across in a highly persuasive and engaging manner. Once you've caught the attention of your viewers and dazzled them with your incredibly professional production values, you'll then have the chance to put your message across in a vastly more persuasive manner than is possible through any other medium. And this is because it will let you speak directly to your audience and to demonstrate your passion for the products or services you provide. Now, with the right video, you can lend personality to your organization and build up a relationship of trust and authority. Music can help with the emotional points, and it's great for putting across value in a production, while the chance to actually speak and gesticulate on what it is you do will lend much more power to everything you say. So, in case you're still not sold on the sheer power of video marketing, let's take a moment to consider some of these statistics. 1 minute of video is worth 1.8 million words based on research conducted by Forrester Research. 100 million internet users watch online video every single day. 90% of online shoppers say that video helped them in their buying decisions. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, which just happens to own YouTube. So, with all that in mind, are you ready to start creating compelling and engaging videos to market your business? If yes, then move on to the next video and we'll get started.